Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Honda CRV. It comes with 36,018 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do stow away to create more interior room. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, the number on the dash, 57,967, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 36,018. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.